Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about Spectra. So what is Spectra? Actually that is a plugin. So that is a page builder plugin to design a WordPress website. So guys, as we know, Elementor is the most popular page builder and everyone like to use this page builder to design any WordPress website. So now let me show you Spectra plugin. And here you can see in the WordPress plugin library, I can type a keyword. And here you can see the plugin. It has 1 million plus active installations. Just you can install it. And after that you can activate the plugin. So guys, we have installed the plugin. Just we can go in the pages, click on add new page, and here we can add page name, for example test 5. And after that here you can see this is Gutenberg, as well as we can say block editor. So now we can add any of the element from here. But now we have installed Spectra plugin, and here you can see plus button. Just click here, and after that here you can see, so the interface is like Elementor page builder. Just you can add container, as well as here you can see the elements. Scroll down and here you can find all the elements that you use in the Elementor page builder. And also here you can see WooCommerce elements. Then scroll down and these are the white widgets. So whatever plugin you will install, you will get all the elements listed here. So I think you don't need to use Elementor page builder, as here you can see it comes with everything that is available in the Elementor page builder. So how you can use, for example, if you want to add a new section, just you can use container. Simply click here, and after that here you can see you can select the structure. For example, I want to add 2 columns. Then after that here you can see container settings. So it is very similar to the Elementor page builder. So first tab in Elementor, that is content. Here you can see just name is changed, general. Then scroll down. Here you can see container width, boxed, full width, custom width. Then scroll down, select the content width, and here you can see you can select the width in the pixels, percentage, and VW. So these are the units as we see in the Elementor. You can also select the height. Then scroll down. Here you can see these are all the properties like Elementor page builder. After that you can go to the style tab. Like in the Elementor page builder, here you can see we get couple of options to add the background. Then scroll down. Here you can change the colors, link colors. Then you can add the borders as well as shape dividers. Then scroll down, spacing. In Elementor page builder we get this spacing option in the advanced tab, but in Spectra page builder we get this option in the style tab. Then scroll down. Here you can see visibility options, Z-index, as well as sticky options and animations. So you can add block here. For example, if you want to add heading, just you can drag and drop here. And after that here you can see if you want to link this heading with anything, just you can click, and after that here you can see link button. Then you can change it into the italic form. You can bold. You can also use AI assistant, as well as you can highlight the text. So copy paste, you can just copy and paste it anywhere. And after that, on the right side here you can see alignment options. Then scroll down, you can select the heading tag. Then you can also add subheading, then separator. Then you can also use dynamic content, so that is available in the Pro version. Then in the style tab, like Elementor page builder, you will get typography options, link options, as well as background options. And I already told you spacing option is available here, so don't get confused to use this option. Then here you can see same options, display conditions, visibility options, z-index, and many more. So guys, you can use these all blocks and you can design WordPress website to the professional level. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.